Have you ever tried golden milk? Wait. Do you really know what it is? Golden milk is getting people talking as it becomes an almost miracle drink that cleanses your body. Want to know what its benefits are and why it's becoming so popular? Then stay until the end of the video because you won't be able to stop drinking it after this. Let's get started. What is golden milk and what is it for? Well, it is a vegetable drink originally from India, very easy to make at home and adaptable to taste, made from vegetable oil and turmeric. You may have heard of it, but under a different name. Curcumin latte or turmeric latte. The ingredients are the same, but the method of preparation is completely different. In Ayurvedic medicine, which you're probably wondering what Ayurveda is, the emphasis is on good health, prevention, and treatment of diseases through various applications, and one of them is herbal remedies. So golden milk is used for its medicinal properties to treat colds and sore throats, improve digestion, and strengthen the immune system, among other things. There are other spices that can be added to these drinks to enhance their benefits, such as essential pepper, which greatly enhances the addition of curcumin, a polyphenol that is the main active ingredient in turmeric. Others are often added to add flavor, such as cinnamon, cloves, vanilla, cardamom, nutmeg, or ginger. What makes turmeric and milk such a spectacular drink? Well, it stimulates bile production, which aids in digestion, waste elimination, and effective fat absorption. Together with milk, it has countless benefits. In addition to the above, it prevents flatulence and intestinal colic and is recommended for stomach atony. Something really useful happens when you go out in the street with people. So, there is no doubt that it is an excellent combination of tastes and a good beneficiary for health. You should also add some fatty component, such as oil, so that it is well absorbed at the intestinal level and thus takes better advantage of its nutritional properties. For sweetening, you can use agave syrup, maple syrup, honey, or whatever you like. It is also important to remember that all foods provided by nature are safe and beneficial to your health when consumed in moderation. However, if you think that any of them could be harmful, it is always best to consult a doctor or health professional to avoid complications. Now for the golden question. What does gold milk taste like? The predominant flavor will largely depend on the type of milk you use, combined with the earthy and slightly spicy flavors of turmeric and pepper. Cinnamon will make it delicious and more palatable. Ginger will add freshness and spice, and the oil you choose will be noticeable in the final aftertaste. And because we don't just want to tell you about the benefits, we're going to give you the perfect recipe to get you started in the world of golden milk. Ingredients: milk or vegetable drink, 500 milliliters. Cinnamon stick, only 1. Cloves, 2. Green cardamom, 1. Fresh ginger, 5 grams. Black peppercorns, 2. Ground turmeric, 5 grams. 15 milliliters of honey. Ground cinnamon to taste. This recipe is for 2 people, you and a friend. Heat the milk in a saucepan with the cinnamon stick, cloves, open cardamom, peppercorns, and chopped or ground ginger. Reduce the heat before it boils and add the turmeric, stirring well. Cook over very low heat for at least 5 minutes. 2. Add honey or a vegetable alternative to taste. Pour into cups and serve with a dusting of ground cinnamon on top. It can also be whipped with a cappuccino mixer to make it fluffy. 3. You can enjoy this drink 2 or 3 times a day, and you will notice the benefits. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, like it and comment on what you thought, and if this recipe worked for you at home. Also, subscribe and activate the little bell to receive notifications when we publish a new video on our channel. See you next time!